Hey everyone, welcome back to WA Reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of high-quality desktop audio with the Fosi Audio SK-02, a desktop DAC and headphone amplifier. If you're someone who's serious about audio or just want to upgrade your desktop setup for a better sound experience, then stick around. We'll be unboxing, setting it up, and testing it out. Let's see what this little device can really do. Alright, let's start with the unboxing. The Fosi Audio SK-02 comes in a pretty compact and minimalist box. It's a simple design. Let's open it up and see what we get inside. First up, we have the Fosi Audio SK-02 itself, wrapped nicely to prevent any scratches. I'll get to this beauty in just a second. Along with it, there's a USB cable for power and data, and we have a user manual. Pretty straightforward, and it'll guide you through all the basic functions. So, all the essentials are here to get us set up. Taking a closer look at the SK-02, you can see it has a sleek metal body. It's compact and has a premium feel with that brushed metal finish. In terms of inputs and outputs, on the front, we've got a 3.5mm headphone jack and a rotary volume knob that feels solid. On the back, we have a USB-C port for power and data, an RCA output, and an auxiliary input for other audio sources. This versatility means it can work as both a standalone headphone amp and a desktop DAC. The design is super minimalist, which is nice because it won't take up too much space on your desk. And it blends well with pretty much any setup, especially if you're going for a modern look. Setting up the SK-02 is really simple. Just plug the USB-C cable into your computer and it should be ready to go. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, and even some mobile devices if you're using the right adapter. So whether you're listening on your PC or want a high-quality amp for your phone, this should have you covered. It powers up right away, and the connection is stable. I love how Fosi Audio kept it plug and play, which means you don't have to mess around with drivers or complex setups. Now, let's get into the specs and some unique features. The SK-02 uses a high-performance DAC chip that supports up to 24-bit 192 kHz audio, which is awesome for high-res audio playback. It has an SNR, signal-to-noise ratio, of over 110 dB, so you get super clear sound without much background noise. And the amplifier can drive most headphones up to 300 ohms, which makes it versatile enough for a range of different headphones. This device is all about giving you a clean, powerful signal with minimal distortion, which is crucial if you're using high-quality headphones. And thanks to the RCA output, you can even use it to drive desktop speakers as your main DAC. Alright, now for the part you've all been waiting for. Let's test the sound quality. I'm going to connect my headphones and try it out with a few tracks across different genres to get a sense of the performance. So, after testing it, I'm genuinely impressed with the clarity. The highs are crisp, the mids are rich, and there's a noticeable improvement in the bass response. It's not overly bassy, but it gives a nice punch, especially with genres like electronic and hip-hop. If you're a fan of detailed sound for classical or jazz, it really shines there too, separating each instrument well. The amplifier adds just the right amount of power for my headphones, even at high volumes. And if you're someone who loves immersive sound, this makes a huge difference over just plugging directly into your computer. To sum up, here are some pros and cons of the Fosi Audio SK-02. Pros 1. Compact, durable, and modern design. 2. Great sound quality with support for high-resolution audio. 3. compatible with various devices, including PCs, smartphones, and speakers. 4. Simple plug-and-play setup with no need for extra drivers. Cons 1. No Bluetooth support. This is strictly wired. 2. Volume knob could feel smoother, but that's minor. 3. Limited to 300 ohm headphones. So if you have high impedance cans, you may need something more powerful. So is the Fosi Audio SK-02 worth it? I'd say absolutely, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly compact DAC amp combo that can significantly improve your desktop audio experience. For under $99, it's hard to beat the performance and simplicity this offers. Plus, Fosi Audio is known for providing good quality in this price range. If you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description so you can check it out. And let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more audio gear reviews like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future reviews. Until next time, happy listening.